KXIN stock closed the session of the 10th of August 2021 at $2.99, an extension of 2.75%, and has since extended by 2.68% in the post market, currently trading at $3.07. So if we have the return here, we can see that there is some news down here, and it says Caijin Auto Holdings Inc. said that on Tuesday, the 10th of August 2021, its subsidiary has launched development plans to produce subcompact and mini compact electric vehicles for the Chinese market. The company said it has talked with a number of electric car manufacturers for a potential deal and will announce the results of those talks in a timely manner. So yes, and the stock just slightly extended in that session, not a lot. So yes, the price crossed above the 200-day moving average at some point during that session. That's the event that was recorded. The price rose through the 200-day moving average of $3.27 and above average volume. So yes, that's what we are looking at right now. So all in all, I think that you can see that some of the escalators are strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator indicating what the momentum is all about, and the RSI is quite strong, just approximately at 70. So the stock is rallying within a longer term bearish trend, driving its MACD above the signal line. However, shares remain below a declining 200-day moving average, signifying that the dominant trend remains lower. It's easily outperforming the S&P 500. As we indicated earlier on, Caijin stock is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares, indicating that the momentum is strongly bullish. The volume for that session was heavier than usual, trading 40.583 million shares versus an average of 5.726 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of that indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So yes, that's what we're looking at right now. Yeah. So all in all, I think if you want to look at Caijin stock from the perspective of the longer term trend, yes, it's still trading at a discount to its longer term moving average, but at the same time it is trading at a much more significant premium to its short and intermediate moving averages. So, and also at the same time as well, it's still a penny stock trading on the $4, on the $3.50, and at the same time it also has a significantly high number of shares, 143.461 million shares, and I believe there might be some short volumes on the stock. Let's see whether we can get anything in that regard. Nick had reports. Let's see whether we can get any sort of short volumes. There's a good chance the short volumes will be high, given what happened. Yeah, 56 for the 9th of August, 56.9%, 59.64% for the 6th of August, but it was the volume for Thursday, the 5th of August, was extremely small, but there was a significant interest that came into the stock as at the 6th of August, and a huge volume was so short. So let's return there and see what the extensions are like. So yes, that was the 5th of August. This is the 5th. Let's see where the 5th occurred. Okay, this is the 5th. Well, what are we looking at here? At that time, it was trading below all of its moving averages. Let's see what happened there. There was a huge short volume of 59.64. Maybe they totally got it wrong, and then we now saw that extension. Maybe. So they may have had a short squeeze as at Friday, the 6th of August. that may have been what happened, because we can see as at this session they was sold short and forced down further. More than half of the entire shares that traded on that Thursday the 5th were sold short, and then the next day it was totally reversed, so which we all know resulted in a huge spike. So I think they may still, okay, let's see what short squeeze has in that regard. KXIN. Okay, we don't have, it has reduced. There's a good chance it reduced because of that happened the reversal, that spike that happened on the 6th of August. But it's saying the volume is only 217,000. So they according to but this figures is talking about the short interest, which is different from the short volumes. The short volumes is as regards the shares, but all in all, I think pretty much they are pretty much in line. Kaizen doesn't trade options, so it doesn't take much of that into cognizance. So I think maybe we'll have to probably stick to the short report, the naked short report. So, but we have to probably stick to that. All in all, what is certain is that somehow, somewhere, there are short volumes. I think we probably have to stick with this, because well, in any case, we don't exactly know what the figures for the 10th of August are, but for some reason, somehow there must be some short interests and short selling going on there. But at the same time as well, like we indicated on, the fact that it spiked on the 6th, definitely forced some short positions to be closed. So all in all, if you want to look at the fact that the company is trying to go ahead now with making electric cars, define it and become more of a car manufacturer as against a retailer, so that all the skepticism towards the stock will probably die down and give some market participants and investors the confidence they need. Because what happened to the stock earlier on was because there was a research report that came out that it wasn't really into this as such. It used to be a retailer for other things, and then suddenly maybe now retailing electric vehicles and not really an EV manufacturer. So now it is trying to tackle that skepticism. So yeah, the skepticism has paid off, because it's paying off. They are now trying to go into the business itself. So if you believe they are genuinely going to do so and you are confident about them, by all means get involved. But you just have to be skeptical as well. Just know what you're doing. And well, technically, if you want to look at it from the perspective that it's trading at a discount to its longer term moving average, and then that's enough reason for you to buy. At the same time as well, just know how you're going to play it. Know the sort of money you're going to put into the stock. But at the same time, we know it is trading at a premium to its short and intermediate moving averages. So all in all, it's a cautious buy. It's a very cautious buy. We just all in all, I think we can just conclude you need to give it more time, to consolidate a little bit more before before we call it a confident buy. So okay, so currently now it is trading at $3.07, and thank you very much for watching this video.